If you hire me to run ads for your e-commerce business or lead generation business, this is how I'm going to perform Facebook ad creative test. In this video, I am going to break down all the parameters that you need to keep in mind before running any Facebook ad creative test, right? So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate 36 million in revenue for my clients. If you want me to run ads for your business, there is a link in description. You can book a call with me and I can help you with whatever your Facebook ads need. So let's jump into the video. In this video, I am going to show you two methods to test Facebook ads. But before that, I need you to keep these things in mind before testing Facebook ads. Same messaging will be used. Okay, so whenever you create ads, right, you have any idea in mind, you need to be very clear about that, right? You cannot mix these multiple ideas of offers like guarantee or service delivery or done for you services, service delivery, or it can be a 10% off, right, or 5% off. You need to be very clear that, right, and you need to mention these things in your advertisements, right? And whenever you have two three ideas in your mind, you cannot mix all these ideas, because whenever you start running ads, according to Facebook, when people start showing some kind of interest on ads, Facebook will try to allocate all the budget to that, but that doesn't define that this other offer is not working, right? It's all about the whole ad, so you need to be very clear about the messaging, what you want people to get out of that ad, right? So it can be guaranteed that you are providing a guarantee to a service, right, or something 10% off on the first product, right? You cannot mix 10%, 5% or 15% in a single ad set, right? So you need to be really clear, sir. If you are giving 10% discount or 10% discount on your product, you need to be clearly mentioning that into your ads, right? Second point, you need to use three creatives, right? Those three creatives can be three photos, three videos. We cannot mix these two, right? You cannot test two videos and one image, or two images and one video. It will never work. Facebook ads doesn't this way. You can only test three videos, three images, or three carousels. You cannot mix one video, one image, one carousel. You need to be really clear about that. If you have three videos, right, it needs to be revolving around that particular product or collection. You cannot put three different products and expecting all three will work. Facebook will only allocate the budget to the things that are working, right? That is one single ad, right? Until and unless you have something proven in your ads, you have previous data showcasing these all three ads are working, you cannot put those ads. So these ads, these images, or these three carousels needs to be about the similar product. Third point, two different ad copy but same messaging, two headlines for all the three creatives. Copy needs to be same with offer, in that it cannot work with two different offers, right? First, one ad copy should not be saying that you are giving one uh, particular offer, right, and another saying it is giving some other offer. So you need to be clear about that. Whenever you put a link, when you are creating ad, it's you need to be really sync with the ad you are giving. If it's a video of a collection, then you need to put a collection link, right? And if you have a single product ad, you need to put that particular product. I've seen multiple times people mix up these things, right, and testing these things may work for some time, but it will not work when you start to scale. Because if you are opening a product, right, and you see multiple products, and the person likes only that product, it will be hard for the customer to look out for the that particular project. So you need to be really clear about what kind of uh, product link you are using, because we want to make the journey of a person to be as smooth as possible, without wasting time, without without them scrolling all the products and finding out that product. You need to be really clear about that. So summary of this: same messaging will be used, three creatives will be three photos or three videos. We cannot mix these two different ad copy but same messaging, two headlines for all the three creatives, same link or same landing page will be used. It cannot be used for a collection page or product page. Creatives should focus on collection or product. Now I'm going to take you to my ads manager and tell you how to set up the testing. First method I will use is OG manual ad creation method that I personally like, right? And other one will be the dynamic creative ads. So let's jump into the ads manager. So you are now in my test ad account, right? Hit the create button, go to the sales campaign. We don't want to use this CBO right now, right? Correct. Choose the correct pixel. Choose the conversion event as a purchase, right? First, I am telling you one manual method where we create each and every ad manually, and after that, I will be show you an automatic way. Both on YouTube, I've seen people increasing the use of dynamic creatives, but it's not something that will work for everybody. You can test these two things. Facebook is a game of numbers. You can always see what is working for you, what is not working for you. So here I'm going to create manual ads. When you're creating a manual ads, you need to be clear how many ads you want to create. You can do maximum 4, but minimum 2 or 3, right? You cannot just leave one ad in single ad set, right? You If you are testing, you need to have 3 to 4 maximum in your ad set, right? Primary text, primary text, text 1, product name. Right. So this is a single product. I'm not going to add another product in this. You can add description if you want, like something delivery and free delivery after $50 or $40, whatever it suits you. Primary text 2, 3. Right. So here we are testing. I don't have any other video of this product, so I'm just putting this. You can vary it with a different angle, like different kind of video, right? So this is how you create a manual ad set. 3 ads, right? You can mix and match with the ad copies, but every ad needs to be a different ad copy because we are just testing the thing here, right? So you need to create 3 ads minimum using this method. Now the other method that I'm going to show you, that is using dynamic creative. You can go over here, ad set 2. You need to turn on this dynamic creative. Now you need to select 3 videos or 3 images. I am going to select 3 videos. Primary text 1, primary text 2. Right on this guy. This is first one. I have put up two primary text, that are two primary ad copies, two headlines, videos, two videos, one image, only three videos, and using the collection link, because I have the product, I have multiple products, right? So this is how you need to perform creative testing, right? So whenever you start a campaign, right, you need to figure out what are your variables, what you want to test out, right? Three images, three videos, three carousels. If you do this, you will have a concrete data, because Facebook ads is the number game. You cannot just rely on your intuitions, right? If you do this, you will have a very clear vision about how things will go ahead and how you can scale your business, right? If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any doubt regarding this, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.